Hi, my name is Lisa Ray from ASRJC, and I'll be explaining about two different types of loops, which is for loops and while loops. Loops are important in coding as it helps to execute a block of code repeatedly. There are many situations which a piece of code will have to be used over and over again, but it's extremely tiring to write the same line of code multiple times. So I'll be starting off with a while loop. A while loop is used to repeat a specific block of code as long as the condition within the while loop is true. After each time the loop runs, it checks that the condition of the while loop remains true. So let's take number is equals to 10. So while number is more than 0, which is true, the statement will be executed and hello will be printed. So when the code is run, it can be seen that there is a basically unending list of hellos that is printed. While using while loops, it can cause a problem if the index length is incorrect, and it might enter an infinite loop like this one currently. It also has a chance of making the program unresponsive and crash. To prevent this from happening, another statement is required to stop the loop once it reaches a certain point, such as number -1 every time the loop runs, causing hello to only be printed out 10 times. Multiple statements can be included within the while loop, such as how are you? And both statements will be repeated 10 times. A break statement can also be included so that the loop will be broken even if the condition is still true, but if number is equals to 5, so once the loop runs 6 times, the loop will be broken, so hello will only be printed 6 times. Now moving on to a for loop. A for loop repeats the code for as many times given the condition within the for loop. So for number in range of 10, which is the condition, it would print hello 10 times. Another method of using the for loop is by having a list. So multiple numbers is in the list from 1 to 5, and for numbers in number, where it takes each individual number in the list and it will print all of them individually. So another way of getting the same results, even with the number also in a list, is for line in range line number, where it counts the number of numbers within the list and again prints it out individually. So the same answer is gotten. Now, an example of the question where the usage of the loop will be helpful. So try out this question if you feel like it, and the answer will also be included down below.